We're developing a one-time treatment for HIV that's considered a cure strategy. There's a critical need for therapies that will replace the standard of care. The standard of care is a combination of antiretroviral therapies that require daily, lifelong adherence to be effective. It's costly and has serious long-term side effects. This is not a cure, and that's in part because HIV hides. Our HIV cure strategy is a CAR T-cell therapy that modifies the patient's own T cells so that it can target hidden HIV. It's a one-time treatment that reduces the costs over the lifetime of a patient. There are other products in development that are competitive products, but none of them are both a one-time treatment and also targeting hidden HIV, and we do not believe that any of these will be successful products. Our team leverages real competencies. Pam and I are very compatible. I have a background in drug development, and Pam has spent 10 years at the university developing this therapy. We also have some excellent advisors on the business side and scientific side, and have several KOLs who are interested in who are both in HIV and CAR T-cell therapies. This is a $1 billion market, even with a very conservative estimate of targeting the 10 largest US cities. We would have 3 different indications. First, in patients who are not ART suppressed, and then first in patients who are ART suppressed, followed by patients who are not, where we think there would be a larger uptake, and then in patients who are treatment refractory, and that would likely be a different product. So far, we have a proof of concept in the best preclinical model of HIV. We've raised $2.5 million in non-dilutive funding, and we are for development modeling on the CAR T therapies that are already approved in oncology. And I thank you for your time. We are seeking startup advice going forward.
Judges, we have 1:45. I
have a question. Can you, what's the non-dilutive? Is that NIH grants or SBIR?
Yep, we have an STTR. Actually, Pam and I are co-PIs. We have a phase 1. We just scored in the fundable range for a phase 2. We also have a Launch Minnesota grant and a Regenerative Medicine Minnesota grant.
Can you go into a little bit more detail about your current stage of development and what the trajectory is?
We are in the preclinical stage of development, and we have positive data in a pilot study in primates. It's really the best model for HIV, and we are in the process of planning for an IND-enabling primate study that will just be a larger study and better controlled.
Thanks.